Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another video. So today we are doing the Valentine's Day classic look. Now I just cut my hair and I don't know what is going on here. I didn't expect it to be this short, but as you can see, this is the length of it and I'm so upset about it because she cut more than I expected. But there's nothing much that we can do about it. So guys, if you'd like to see this video, all you gotta do is keep on watching. So guys, first thing we're going to be starting with is primer. I'm going to prime my eyes with a concealer. Thereafter, I'm going in with the same beauty blender that I used for my foundation and just smearing this all over. The palette that I'm using today is the Signature Nude palette. I am going to be starting off with a fluffy brush. Just going in above my crease, like slightly above my crease, just to give myself more definition and work the color out. This I'm packing as a base layer as well as a layer to define my crease. Next I'm going in with the color Mood just to blend this out onto my skin. So I lift my eye up a little bit so that I can get the correct definition. And now I'm going in with some of my Body Glow. I'm putting that onto my finger and then I'm just going to be smearing this all over. Now guys, I'm going in with my Carrot eyeliner. Now guys, I'm just going to leave this to dry for a minute. Thereafter, with the color Mocha, I'm just going to blend it out here. Now I'm going in with the color Mood, blending out the color Mocha. Now for the glitter part, I'm going in with the Glow and just blending that into the colors. So guys, to top it off, I'm going in with a little bit of mascara for the bottom lash line. So guys, now I'm going in with some powder to set the underneath of my eyes. Likewise on the side, I'm just going to set this underneath of my eye area. Now coming up with the bronzer. So guys, when you snatch your face, you do that and that for a few seconds, so it gives you like this whole kind of shape. The higher you go, the better for you. The higher you go, the better for you. Then I just like to highlight this area here, my chin and my forehead area. And now I'm going to dust this. So guys, I'm going to line my lips with, this is the NK lip liner. Now I'm going to go with the red. Last but not least, some face mist. Now I'm going to add my glue. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with another amazing YouTube video. I'm out, guys.